Welcome back. This is an Aleks training video on writing the pressure equilibrium expression for a heterogeneous equilibrium. Heterogeneous, remember, means that you're going to have a mixture of solids, liquids, and gases within a chemical reaction. If you're talking about the pressure and how the pressure differs and what's happening to the pressure, only gases can change their pressure really. You can squish liquids a little bit. You can't squish solids very much at all. So we are going to ignore, just like we've done in other heterogeneous equilibria, we're just going to ignore everything that's not a gas or an aqueous. In this case, since pressure is only dealing with gas, it's only gases that we're going to consider, and we ignore everything else. So writing a constant, in this case for pressure, is going to be the reactants on the bottom, the products on the top, and not concentration this time. It's not molarity. It's just pressure. Okay, so we're going to ignore everything that is not gases. Okay, so we're going to ignore that. That's a solid. We're going to ignore that. That's a solid. That means N2 is your only gas. And so when I put this on the top and I say that it's the pressure of N2 taken to its coefficient. So I look here and that's a coefficient of 1. So I just leave that as a coefficient of 1. There's nothing to multiply it by. There's nothing to divide it by. So that's it. That's all it is. You are simply going to, in this case, pressure of nitrogen gas, done. There's nothing more than that. So heterogeneous, remember, you're going to ignore everything that's not gases or aqueous. And then when you're dealing with pressure, you're only dealing with gases.